So now we've talked about how the cache works for updating normal files from the cache. Now the whole Appcache system is actually very complex. It's a very complex algorithm that the browser goes through to get files out of the cache, figure out whether it should update the cache, check the different sections in the file. We do want to talk briefly about the network section for files that always need to be loaded from the network. So let's go take a look at that. The network section was supposed to make it easier to build applications that were occasionally online, but it turns out that's pretty hard to do. As we talked about before, it's hard to answer the question definitively if you're online or offline. One common thing to do is in the network section, at the bottom, to put a star, or even just to only have a star here. This basically means anything that we haven't specified already further up in the application cache, in the cache section, you should just go to the network for. This actually isn't a great thing to do. If you have any blocking resources in your file, or in your application, that haven't been listed in the cache file, it's going to sit there and wait until it times out. So what you should really do is develop without that network star, even if you add it later. That way, your cache updates in the console will actually show you if you're missing files.